Okay, so we're going to have a go at doing plans and elevation. So in your notes, if you take down the title, Plans and Elevations, and I'd like you to take down this sentence. A plan is a bird's eye view. So that's looking down at something. An elevation is a view taken from the side or front. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to try to work our way through a few of these pages in your booklets. So page 44. If you look at the picture here, it's wanting you to do the front elevation. So if you take a ruler, always try to use a ruler with these. Now, the front will have 3 squares up. So if you draw 3 squares up, 2 squares along the top, 1 square down, 1 square in, 2 squares down, 3 along the front. That's the first one done. That is question 1A. Question 1B wants the side elevation. So if you're looking in this direction, you will see 3 squares high and 2 across. So 3 squares high and 2 across. So that's all you have to do for that page. Right. Next page, number 2. We're going to try to draw these. So this is now page 45, question 2A. So if you're looking in from the front, you'll have 2 squares down and 3 along. So you draw 2 squares down, 3 along, 1 up and 2 back, 1 up and 2 back, and then that's the top bit there. So that's your front elevation done. Part B is the plan. That's looking straight down at it, as if you're a bird looking down. So if you're looking straight down, you would just see a big long rectangle. 1, 2, 3 squares along and 1 square of thickness. That's all you have to do for that one. The next page, you're looking for the front elevation. So if you look at the front, I can get this page out so you can see it on the screen alongside me here. It's going to be 3 down and 3 across, an L-shaped one. So this is question 3A. So it's going to be 3 down and it's going to be 3 across. And then do the rest of your L. You can write on your homework booklets if you want, or you can do it on the page like I'm doing. And then part B is looking at the bird's eye view, looking straight down. So if you look straight down at that, you would see 3 of those sets of squares. So it'll be a 3 by 3 square you'll be looking down at. Just drawing this in. So it'll be a 3 by 3 square. You don't have to draw in all the individual squares. That's fine to leave it like that. That's that page done. Question 4. The front elevation. If you look in at that, you will just see a line of 4 squares. So you just draw a line of 4 squares. Is that one done? The plan, if you're looking down, if you're a bird looking down, so you're going to see 4 squares along the bottom and 4 squares up the side. I'll try and get this fit in. It's a bit more fiddly, this one. So 4 squares along the bottom. The next row will have 3 squares. The next one will have 2. The last one is 1 square. That's the plan done for that one. Now the next one, number 5, draw the front elevation. So the front is 4 by 1.5. So if you draw 4 and we'll go up 1.5. And it's just a wee rectangle you're drawing there. And part B, the plan, that's looking straight down as if you're a bird. So you're going to see 4 by 3. So it's going to be 3 up the side and 4 along the top. And that is page 46 done. Next page, question 6a, front elevation, just looking straight in. So it's a 3. Coming down, say a T shape you're drawing this time. Oh, I've drawn 4 there. So it's a 3, and then it's coming down 2. And the plan, that's the one looking down like a bird. So if you're doing part B, it's going to be a wee rectangle, 3 by 2. And that's that one drawn. Question 7. So you've got a solid shape, and that's what it looks like in front, and that's what it looks like the side. What would the plan look like? The plan would look like the base. It's quite hard to see this one, so if you're not getting this one, don't worry too much about it. It's just going to be a rectangle, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 along. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you don't see that, I wouldn't worry too much about that one. It's quite difficult, that. Just if you can see it, draw up. And if you can see the sketch, that would be a triangular prism. Again, if you can't see that, don't worry about that bit at all. And we'll just pause it there.